Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the TV and ensuring both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This is essential for discovery. Open SmartThings or the SmartView app on your phone or a casting option on your laptop because the app negotiates the connection. On the TV, select Source then Screen Mirroring or go to Settings Right Arrow Connection Right Arrow Screen Mirroring. This puts the TV into pairing mode. Once done, your device should list the TV as an available target, so you can initiate the share immediately. You now tap the TV name in your device's cast or mirror list to begin pairing. This step performs authentication so random devices cannot join. If the TV displays a PIN, enter it on your phone or laptop to finalize security. Make sure to choose display options, full screen or maintain aspect ratio, so content fills the panel correctly, and pick whether audio plays from TV or device. Once connected, verify touch latency and audio sync. Adjust quality or orientation if you see to end sharing, stop casting from your phone or laptop, or use the TV remote. Source right arrow stop screen mirroring. That cleanly releases the session. If you experience audio lag, switch audio output to the TV, and if video stutters, lower the device's streaming resolution or move closer to the router to reduce interference. Troubleshooting tip. If pairing fails, restart both the TV and your device. Confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi band 4 versus 5 GHz, and then retry. This resolves most discovery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.